Hi, I'm Divraj Tuma. I'm a Cloud Solutions Architect at Informatica. In this video, I'll talk about how you can bring great data with advanced integration capabilities of Informatica, especially to supercharge Microsoft Power BI dashboards. I will show you our integration wizards that can be utilized by business analysts and citizen integrators. Those are step-by-step wizards for data synchronization and replication tasks. I'll also cover advanced functionality that a power user can use to create complex mappings to bring data from sources across hundreds of on-premise or cloud applications. I would then wrap up by giving links to resources to get you started. Informatica Cloud is a comprehensive integration platform as a service that combines data integration and data management capabilities. Many customers are using Informatica for analytics and hybrid data warehousing by moving data to cloud or on-premise data warehouses such as Azure SQL Data Warehouse. We have advanced tools for power user as well as wizard-based tools for citizen integrators. Informatica, with partnership with Microsoft, brings you industry-leading integration capabilities to help you with your analytics initiatives with Power BI. Informatica provides connectors to almost all major Azure platform services like Azure Data Warehouse, SQL Server, Data Lake, Blob, DocumentDB, HD Insight, etc. The rich connectivity of Informatica and no-code environment and integration designs via modeling will save a lot of valuable time in your projects. In this particular video, I'm picking a scenario where there is a need to bring data from multiple data sources to Power BI for analytical purposes. Regardless of the case where you are creating Power BI dashboards from ground up or enhancing your existing dashboards, it is super easy to add to or create new dashboards by ingesting data from multiple source applications. In this particular example, the scenario I'm going to show is extracting data from Salesforce, NetSuite, and SAP. The data is loaded to Azure SQL Data Warehouse, which would be the data source for Power BI reports. So let me log into Informatica Cloud and show you how integration is done. I'm going to show you a couple of things. On a high level, you can realize integration in two ways. One way is to use wizard-based integration that can be utilized by business analysts or citizen integrators. The second approach has to do with using our advanced mapping functionality for complicated integration scenarios. But first, let's review the steps to create an integration job. Preparing the environment, configuring the connections, designing the integration tasks with a schedule, and monitoring them. Let's review the connections. An example Azure Data Warehouse connection looks like this, and this is an example for a Salesforce connection. This is an example of NetSuite connection, which would be one of our three data sources in this example. As I mentioned earlier, one of the way of performing integration is using the wizard, and this is an example of a data synchronization between Salesforce data and Azure Data Warehouse. It is a simple 6-step wizard. Provide a definition, choose a source, choose the target, create filters. In this case, I want to get all the accounts which are not deleted. Perform field mapping. Also, you can use Informatica's transformation engine. For example, create a calculated field called customer priority where expected revenue is more than 1 million. And finally, create a schedule for running it. Also note, for performance reasons, you will have to key in a blob storage container. This is used to stage data behind the scenes before loading into Azure Data Warehouse. Finally, you can review the status of the job in the activity log. The other approach is for advanced integration needs. This mapping is an example of an advanced mapping that brings data from multiple sources, joins, aggregates, and loads that to Azure Data Warehouse. Salesforce, NetSuite, and SAP data is extracted and some reference data is looked up in this step. Then the data is joined before finally loading into Azure SQL Data Warehouse. By the way, you can load the data into any of Azure platform services like Azure Data Lake or a blob store if you would like. Finally, you can run this mapping by creating a mapping configuration task and monitor it. Once the data is in the data warehouse, you can build Power BI dashboards using the data. This is an example Power BI dashboard built from data that has been loaded into Azure Data Warehouse. This dashboard has data from Salesforce, NetSuite, and SAP. An example report built from data got from the integration looks like this. It has customer open opportunities and year-to-date spend versus credit percentages. This is a data insight that combines data both from Salesforce and SAP. Another example is account with opportunities and open cases. This is a data insight that is obtained by merging data from Salesforce and NetSuite. So, what are the key benefits of using Informatica with Power BI? Make decisions faster with up-to-date insights by automating tasks and scheduling data workflows to refresh as new data is available. Really empowering every user from architects to analysts with a no-code approach to source, sync, and schedule data from disparate sources without burdening IT, thereby unlocking the power of all your data with pre-built connectivity to cloud and on-premise systems such as Salesforce, Dynamics CRM, SAP, Oracle, and Azure SQL Server. Secure integration platform that can meet the needs from the smallest to largest use cases. In this video, we have seen how solutions from Informatica for Microsoft Power BI and Azure provides a powerful platform that helps you build Power BI dashboards with actionable analytics. Learn more at Informatica for Power BI website. Thanks for watching.